Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I really hope you all are doing absolutely great, and if you're new here, hello, this is Harika and I create content related to hairstyles, hair care, skincare and everything which I love doing. I do post it on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. And in today's video, I'll be doing everyday makeup tutorial and also will share you the skincare routine which I follow before applying the makeup. So without any further ado, let's start the video. So for everyday makeup, I use this Biotic Advanced Ayurveda Toner. It is a Bio-Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner with Himalayan waters. I know this one is very old product, like old fashioned kind of a thing, but this one kind of suits for my oily skin tone because whenever I use this product, it removes all the oil and all the greasiness from my face, from my open pores, and that's why I'm using this product. So I'm using this sponge and take 5 to 6 drops from it and apply it all over my face. On this side I have applied the toner, right? So I just press it like this and remove all the dirt from my face. And also this one gives a very cooling effect, so that's the reason I like about this product so much. So don't forget your neck as well. I have removed everything, and now on the dry part I'm going to remove the excess toner from my face. One thing I want to tell you that which is very important, if you have the habit of shaving your face and if you face the situation of cutting your face with a razor, then I would definitely suggest you not to use this product after shaving your face, because if you apply this on the areas where you have a cut, then you might face the situation of burning sensation, which is not a very good idea. So I would definitely suggest not to use this product after shaving your face. So for everyday makeup, we must use the moisturizer, and I'm using the moisturizer from Pond's, which is a super light gel. This is a very good moisturizer for oily skin tone. Even if you have dry skin, you can definitely opt this product. It is infused with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E and keeps your face hydrated all day long, and definitely worth the price. You should definitely try this product. And I'm going to take only this much of amount and apply all over my face, just like this. Always remember, do not forget your neck. So the next step is the sunscreen, which is a must thing in our daily skincare routine. I'm using the product from Aqualogica. It is a detan dewy sunscreen which has cherry tomato and hyaluronic acid and also removes the tan plus hydrates the skin. I don't know about removing the tan, honestly, to be very honest. It not change anything in my skin tone, but it does work a lot for oily skin tone girls, like not only girls, boys as well. So it does work a lot for oily skin tone people, and it has SPF 50 plus, PA+++, UVA and UVB. So this is a must thing in our daily skincare routine. You should never miss this out. So I'm going to take 3 pumps, like 3 sides on my 3 fingers, just like this. So now I'm going to cover all the sides of my face. So I'm just gonna rub it all over my face. You can see it does not leave any white cast. So next I'm using the primer from Sugar Pop. It is a perfume primer which best suits for all skin types. So I'm going to take each drop on each side. It is a silicone based primer and does blur all the pores. So I'm just gonna spread it on the areas where I have open pores. Next step is color correction. I'm going to cover all my dark spots and acne marks here, and also I have a white spot here. I'm going to cover all this, but if you don't have any situation of blemishes on your face or any kind of dark spots, then you can definitely skip this kind of step. So I'm going to take this shade, only a little bit. Some of you might get a doubt, how can we do all these things on everyday basis? I totally agree on this point. If you are okay and if you want to cover all the dark spots on your face, then you can definitely opt this procedure, but I would definitely say you can cover all these things with the foundation itself and just applying a little bit on each side just to cover all my dark circles. I'm going to take the darkest shade to cover the white spot I have on this side. So the next step I'm going to do is the foundation, and I'm going to take one drop on each side. This is the Inside Cosmetics foundation in the shade MN35. I will mention all the product links in my description box below. If you want to have a look, you can definitely take a look on that. I'm just going to blend this on my skin with my fingers itself. So just like this. So as you can see, I did not apply any concealer shade other than the orange one because we are going to keep it minimal, and thus I am using the foundation to cover all my dark circles. You can see how easily it blends with my fingers. Just to smoothen it out, I am using the brush. I'm going to use my fingers to blend this side. Because we have a white spot here, you can use a damp sponge or brush also. The next step we are going to use is the compact powder from Faces Canada. I'm using the shade Sand 04. So this is how it looks inside. I'm going to take a little amount of it and dab on this area. So as you can see, this part and compared to this part, this one is totally mattified, right? So that's the reason why I literally love this product. For everyday use, this one is a very best choice and also very affordable. So I'm just going to dab like. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows. Now I'm going to apply the blush from Cups and Lashes in the shade 20. Highlighter from Tipsy Beauty. Some of you might think that I am applying too many products on my face. That is actually true, but also we need to remember that we should look presentable every day. So now I'm applying the highlighter in the shade Golden. I'm using the mascara from Rimmel London. It is a day to night mascara with a 2-in-1 magic cap. This one mascara is more than enough to elevate your eyes because we are not going to apply the eyeliner on everyday basis. So this one product will volumize your eyelashes. You can see the difference. Removing the excess and applying it on other side. So for my lips, I'm using the product from Mars Cosmetics in the shade I'm Relentless. This one is a nice one which is a waterproof and smudge proof product. It glides like a butter on your lips. But one thing I did not like about this product is it does not stay for long hours. Even if you eat something, it just goes away. You need to apply it for every 4 to 5 hours. So I'm just going to line my lips with this. So the last step is the makeup fixer. I'm using the product from Mars Cosmetics Wonder Fixer. So I'm just going to shake it first and then spray it all over my face. So I need to tell you one thing, because you did not apply the eyeliner, what we can basically do is with your fingers just press your eyelashes upwards, just like this. It elevates upwards and makes it look bigger. So that's it, we are done. So guys, that's all for today's video. I really hope you like this one. Do share with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the notification button so that you're notified whenever I have a new video up. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care and have peace. Bye bye.